As we discussed earlier, after we came back from the seed bed, these tobacco plants have 45 days of time on them, and they're transplanted by the machinery you saw earlier today. After these plants are transplanted, the first thing they're going to do is they usually go under stress, but if you could see, even though we're at high noon today, the plants are upright, and even though these young plants are young, they're not suffering any stress because of all the different things we did by picking the right seed, the right grounds, and so on. So these particular plants here are getting their fertilization period. So 4 days after the tobacco plant is planted, most people have a stress period of about a week. However, you can see how healthy these plants are. So the first thing we do is we apply fertilization on the left side to where you're facing of the tobacco plant. A week later, approximately 7 days later, we're going to apply another amount of fertilization on the left side. And what we do is this particular field has 27,500 plants per acre, and we're using approximately 600 pounds of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium divisible between these 27,500 plants. So everyone are getting their adequate amount of fertilization. And after that, what we do is we water these plants so this topical fertilization goes directly into the root base. And then before the end of the month, or approximately 28 days, which are the stage where they're at right here, they're getting their fertilization that you saw just earlier being applied in between each plant. And the reason we do that is so we can follow that root structure, that clockwise position, so that root continues digging down and becoming more healthy and sprouting more roots. Because remember, the more roots and the bigger root base we can have, the more richer and sweeter and more aromatic and complex this tobacco is going to be. So this is the stage where it's at right now.